Hello, in this CSS crash course video, we're going to look at text properties. These are properties that you can change, of text. There's stuff like font size, the styling of the font, sort of decoration that you can do on the font, line height, all of that good stuff. So first of all, what we want to do is just add a div tag, and for this, we're going to put style equals quotation marks. Again, like I've said, ideally you don't want to be doing it inline. I'm just doing it inline for educational purposes. You would want to put in something like index file, and once you've done this entire series, you understand how to optimally put it in a separate CSS file. I'm just going to leave the style tag blank for now because we're going to be duplicating all of this, and what we want to do is just we're going to duplicate this. So it's going to just do copy and paste, just speed up the process a bit. Okie dokie. Inside here we're going to put, I made a little mistake there. What I'm going to do, go back, and in here I'm going to put, this is some random text. Now I'm going to copy and paste this. Can't quite remember how many times. That should be enough. I can delete it or add more if I want to. Save that. Nope. Refresh the web browser. So this is what we get. The moment the text is exactly the same. Let's modify the font family. The font family is essentially the font itself, the actual font you're using. We're going to change it to Arial now, which is great for screens. As you can see, it is different. So that worked. Next, we're going to modify font dash. Sorry, you know what? I'm also, because everything's so close together, I'm going to put a BR tag. So if I just do copy, paste, probably can just copy it from here. Yep. Oopsie daisy, did not want to do that. Almost done now. Yeah, I don't need to put anything below that. Assuming that's enough text properties. So font dash size equal colon. I'm going to put 2 em. You could use pixels if you wanted to, or points, or centimeters, or whatever. Now if I go and refresh, as you can see, so it's modified this particular text, and you can see what the font size property does. Next, we're going to do font dash weight. So this is stuff like bold. So if I do bold, semicolon, refresh, it is now bold. We're going to do font dash style equals italic. I think you can guess what that does. Refresh. Oh, not font dash style, font dash. No, it is font dash style equals. My bad. There's no. There it is. I put a equals instead of a colon. Refresh. That is now italic. The next property we're going to look at is text dash decoration colon, and for this I'm going to put uppercase. No, that's not it. The uppercase is part of the text transform property. In here I'm going to put line dash through. As you can see, it's just stroked through this particular line, which is a great way of, let's say, crossing out old text, almost giving a sort of feel that it's being edited. The next property we're going to affect is text dash transform. I think this is very useful. You can convert the entire thing to uppercase or lowercase. So I'm going to put uppercase because you'll see a big difference between this one and the others. So save that. refresh, and as you can see, it's now all uppercase. We don't have to go through, we don't have to loop through it and check if each letter ourselves is uppercase or lowercase, or use some sort of JavaScript or PHP code. We can just use CSS. And now we're going to check out letter spacing. I think you can guess what this does. It's a spacing between the letters, 2EM. Last thing you want to do is have the letters so close together that you can't even read them. There you go. This is some random text. That looks pretty cool right there. We're going to show you word spacing now. So word dash spacing equals 4EM. I keep doing equals and quotations. Save that, refresh. Forgot about the E. Save that. Nope. Must have deleted the quotation mark, or just omitted it entirely. Refresh. There we go. We got a bigger spacing between the words, but not the letters themselves like it was in here. So you got a bit of variety there. Now we're going to look at line height, which is line dash height colon 6. Save that, refresh, and now we got a greater line height. If you have multiple lines, it will be a lot more evident in what is happening. I recommend doing that again, like a massive paragraph where you type something out random or true, or if you get it off Google using a paragraph generator, we'll just put lorem ipsum in there. So we've done line height. We're going to put text dash align. I think you can guess what this does. This aligns the text. I'm going to put center. So what this will do is put this in the center of its parent element, and its parent element, which is essentially the div tag, or I would say is, well, yeah, is the body tag. It centers it in the middle, obviously. And now finally we're going to show you the last property, text dash indent colon 50 pixels. Forgot to take this. Wonder what happens when I don't put a semicolon. It still works. So actually I know that it still works, but it's best if I do put a semicolon. Save that, refresh. So yeah, that is it now for the CSS text properties crash course video. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on our education platform, stonelearning.co.uk. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.